Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add Google Spaces and Google Tasks right inside your Gmail, which makes it super easy to manage teamwork and to-dos in one place. So yeah, let's get started. All right, first thing, open your Gmail folder settings. Just look toward the top right and click the little gear icon. Once it opens, choose See All Settings. It's a small step, but it matters. So yeah. Next, head over to the tab called Chat and Meet. Now you're going to see a few options. Turn on Google Chat because Google Chat is what powers Google Spaces. Just choose the option that says Google Chat. After that, Gmail will refresh itself. So don't worry if the screen blinks for a moment. Once Gmail loads again, look at the left side of your screen. You should see Chat Spaces and sometimes Meet show up as new sections. If Spaces is missing, just refresh the page one more time. It usually pops in after a reload. Now you can create or access your spaces. Click the plus icon beside spaces to start a new group space. Name it, add people, and that's it. Your collaboration hub is ready. All right, so let's bring Google Tasks into Gmail too. Look at the right sidebar, the one with small vertical icons. Click the blue circle icon with a check mark. That's the Tasks app. If you don't see it, click the little arrow at the bottom called Show Side Panel. Once it opens, you can add tasks, mark them complete, and organize everything. And here's a neat trick. If you want to turn an email into a task, just open the message and click the three-dot menu. Choose Add to Tasks. Gmail will pull the email title into your to-do list instantly. It's super helpful, when you're trying to keep track of follow-ups. And that's pretty much it. Now you've got Google Spaces and Google Tasks fully added inside Gmail, making everything feel a lot more organized. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. Yeah, really appreciate it.